Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 is only lasting 5 minutes or less, you're likely dealing with a battery issue. This can happen due to battery degradation over time or continuous use, and if not addressed promptly, it can lead to reduced performance or complete failure of your vacuum cleaner. Thankfully, replacing the battery is a straightforward process that can restore your device to its former glory. For this repair, you will need a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson V8, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a pair of tweezers to help with the small components. First, ensure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Begin by using your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back of the handle. Be gentle and keep the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, carefully pull apart the two halves of the handle. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open if it's sticking. Inside, you'll find the battery connected to the main unit. Locate the battery connector. It's typically a small plug secured by a clip. Carefully disconnect it, being cautious not to pull on the wires too hard. After that, remove any screws holding the battery in place. These may vary in size, so make sure to keep track of them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Reconnect the battery plug, ensuring it clicks into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the screws to secure the battery and reassemble the handle by lining it up and pressing the two halves together. Finally, replace the screws you removed at the start. Before you finish, give your Dyson V8 a quick test run to ensure it's working properly. If it runs smoothly, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to avoid overcharging your battery and ensure you clean your vacuum regularly to prevent dust buildup, which can put extra strain on the battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.